This is Michelle again with a new video in a series of videos to use as a quick guide to using VAIF. In the previous video you saw how to create a conversation. The examples seen from that video and in future videos will be available to you in the VAIF package you download. We're going to continue by adding events to the conversation. There are two types of events, general and specific. Each type of event contains different requirements that will need to be met when designing this scene in order to run the timeline. The first type is general events. These events do not require any need to specify the next event, and that I will explain in the next videos. These types of general events is... The 5 types of general events are animation, dialogue, move, rotate to, and wait. The other type of events are specific events. These events require different next event specifications in order to play in the timeline. They're actually more helpful in branching out inside the interaction that are conditional to users' responses. The first type is response, and the other type is a wildcard event. Again, in next videos, I will go over the specific differences between the two.